You're not lost, you're reinventing yourself. This confusion you're feeling right now is not because you're a failure, it's the space between chapters, a sort of no man's land, where you're in between one life and the next. You're not defective, you're shedding the old you. And what looks like your breakdown is actually your becoming. Let's talk about it. This might be the most important pause of your life, because how you respond to this fog will determine who you become next. You can go back to what's safe, or forward into what's true. The choice starts now. Have you ever felt like you don't recognize your own life anymore? Like you're standing in a house you built, but it no longer feels like home? That's not dysfunctional, that's transformation. When a caterpillar enters the cocoon, it doesn't sleep. It dissolves into complete chaos. It breaks down every piece of itself, so it can rebuild as something that flies. That's what you're in right now. A sacred pause. The moment between who you were and who you're becoming. And yeah, it's uncomfortable, because evolution always is. Every great reinvention begins in the dark. Oprah went quiet before her next chapter. Steve Jobs disappeared and came back with a revolution. Even nature reminds us, nothing blooms year-round. The pause isn't the problem, it's the preparation. You're not falling behind, you're falling into alignment. There's a tug-of-war happening inside you. One part of you is clinging to what's familiar, even if it no longer fits. The other part is quietly whispering, it's time. That friction? It's not failure. It's the signal that your next self is trying to be born. This isn't a dead end, it's a doorway. Your discomfort is a signal that your current life can't contain your future self. It's not time to give up, it's time to let go. Here's what to focus on in this season of reinvention. Number 1. Honor the pause. Stop forcing answers. Let clarity come to you in stillness. Number 2. Journal the friction. Where do you feel drained? Where do you feel alive? Write it down. That's your inner compass. Here's something simple you can do right now. Pick one small action your future self would take, today. Clean out that drawer. Cancel the thing that drains you. Say yes to something that lights you up. Tiny acts of alignment add up to massive shifts. Number 3, trust the process. No flower blooms all year. You're allowed to be under construction. Reinvention isn't about force, it's about alignment. Most people skip the cocoon stage. They chase distractions, avoid the silence, but you're brave enough to go inward. That's where lasting transformation begins. Let's get clear. Rate each area of your life from 1 to 10. Health, relationships, career, spirituality, environment. Anything under a 7? That's a starting point. Now close your eyes for a moment. Imagine it's 3 months from now. You feel clear, grounded, excited. What are you doing differently? Who are you surrounded by? What habits have you let go of? This is your future self. They're already inside you. Let them speak. Imagine waking up energized, not anxious. Starting your day with clarity, not confusion. Walking into rooms and finally feeling like you belong. This version of you doesn't pretend. They're fully aligned, and it shows in every area of life. Imagine a woman named Kara, a burned-out nurse, left her hospital job and took 6 months off to figure things out. Everyone thought she was crazy. Today she runs a mobile wellness clinic that brings holistic care to underserved communities. Or Eli, once stuck in a corporate role he hated, started freelancing on weekends. A year later he's working full-time doing something he loves, and earns more than he did before. Reinvention is possible, but only if you're willing to let go of the life that's too small for you. Close your eyes again just for 20 seconds. Picture yourself walking through a forest. You come to a clearing. There's a mirror there. You look into it and you see you, but not the current you. The aligned you, the confident you, the one who finally feels whole again. They smile at you and whisper, "Thank you for not giving up on me." If this spoke to your soul, grab my free reinvention program below. It's your step-by-step guide through this exact phase of life. And send this to someone who's in the cocoon too, because we don't talk about this part enough, and nobody should go through it alone. You're not lost, you're becoming. Let the old fall away, let the new unfold. You're not broken, you're the butterfly, mid-transformation. And soon, you'll fly. You've got this, and as always, good luck.